Welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Kali Linux is a special operating system for cybersecurity professionals. It helps them find weaknesses in computer systems. Think of it as a toolbox for ethical hackers. Ethical hackers use their skills to make the internet safer. They use tools to find vulnerabilities before the bad guys do. It's like checking your locks for weaknesses before a burglar tries to break in. Kali Linux comes with many tools for ethical hacking. These tools help with different tasks, like scanning networks and testing websites. Beginners should learn the basics of these tools first. Nmap is a tool for exploring networks and finding connected devices. It's like knocking on doors to see who's home and what they're doing. Nmap helps identify open ports, which can be vulnerable points. For example, typing scans the device at that IP address. Wireshark, packet sniffing and analysis. Wireshark is a powerful tool used by network administrators and cybersecurity professionals to monitor and analyze network traffic. It provides a detailed view of the data packets traveling through a network, allowing users to troubleshoot network issues, optimize performance, and ensure security. Wireshark captures and analyzes network traffic, like listening to conversations on a network cable. By capturing data packets, Wireshark allows users to see the raw data being transmitted, including the source and destination addresses, protocols used, and the actual data payload. This level of visibility is crucial for diagnosing network problems and understanding network behavior. It helps understand how data flows between devices. For instance, network administrators can use Wireshark to map out the path data takes from one device to another, identify bottlenecks, and ensure that data is being routed efficiently. This can be particularly useful in large, complex networks where pinpointing issues can be challenging. Wireshark can identify suspicious activity, like data leaks. By analyzing the captured data, users can detect anomalies that may indicate security breaches, such as unusual traffic patterns, unauthorized access attempts, or data exfiltration. This makes Wireshark an invaluable tool for maintaining network security and protecting sensitive information. For example, you can use Wireshark to see what websites someone is visiting. This feature can be used for both legitimate purposes, such as monitoring employee internet usage to ensure compliance with company policies, and for more nefarious activities, like spying on someone's browsing habits. Therefore, it's important to use Wireshark responsibly and ethically. Wireshark also offers powerful filtering capabilities, allowing users to focus on specific types of traffic or data of interest. Filters can be applied to isolate traffic from a particular IP address, filter by protocol, or even search for specific keywords within the data payload. This makes it easier to find relevant information in the vast amount of data captured. In summary, Wireshark is an essential tool for anyone involved in network management or cybersecurity. Its ability to capture, analyze, and filter network traffic provides deep insights into network operations, helping to ensure optimal performance and security. Whether you're troubleshooting a network issue, optimizing performance, or investigating a security incident, Wireshark is a tool you can rely on. Metasploit Penetration Testing Framework. Metasploit is a powerful tool for simulating real-world attacks. It's like having a library of attack methods to test defenses. Metasploit helps identify and exploit vulnerabilities in systems. For example, you can use Metasploit to simulate an attack on a web server. Burp Suite Web Vulnerability Scanner. Burp Suite is specifically designed for testing web applications. It is a powerful tool used by cybersecurity professionals to ensure the security and integrity of web applications. By simulating attacks and probing for weaknesses, Burp Suite helps developers identify and fix vulnerabilities before they can be exploited by malicious actors. It helps find weaknesses in websites and web services. This includes identifying common vulnerabilities, such as broken authentication, sensitive data exposure, and security misconfigurations. By providing detailed reports and actionable insights, Burp Suite enables organizations to strengthen their web security posture. Burp Suite can identify vulnerabilities like SQL injection and cross-site scripting. SQL injection allows attackers to interfere with the queries that an application makes to its database, potentially leading to unauthorized access to sensitive data. Cross-site scripting, on the other hand, can enable attackers to inject malicious scripts into web pages viewed by other users, compromising their security. For example, Burp Suite can help you find hidden forms. These hidden forms may not be visible to regular users, but can be exploited by attackers to gain unauthorized access or perform malicious actions. By uncovering these hidden elements, Burp Suite ensures that no potential entry points are overlooked, and pages on a website. Hidden pages can contain sensitive information or administrative functionalities that should not be accessible to unauthorized users. Burp Suite's ability to reveal these hidden pages helps in securing the web application by ensuring that all parts of the website are properly protected. In addition to finding vulnerabilities, Burp Suite also provides tools for analyzing and managing the identified issues. It offers features like automated scanning, manual testing, and detailed reporting, making it a comprehensive solution for web application security. By integrating Burp Suite into the development lifecycle, organizations can continuously monitor and improve their web security. Overall, Burp Suite is an essential tool for anyone involved in web application security. Its robust features and user-friendly interface make it accessible to both beginners and experienced professionals. Whether you are a developer looking to secure your application or a cybersecurity expert conducting a thorough security assessment, Burp Suite provides the capabilities you need to protect your web assets. John the Ripper, password cracking. John the Ripper is a tool for cracking passwords. It is widely used by cybersecurity professionals and enthusiasts alike. This powerful software can help you understand the vulnerabilities in your password security. By simulating various attack methods, John the Ripper can reveal how easily a password can be compromised. It tries different password combinations to guess the correct one. The software uses a variety of techniques, including dictionary attacks, brute force attacks, and rainbow table attacks. Each method has its own strengths and weaknesses, and John the Ripper can employ them all to maximize its chances of success. John the Ripper helps test password strength and identify weak passwords. By doing so, it allows users to take proactive measures to enhance their security. Weak passwords are a common entry point for cybercriminals, and using a tool like John the Ripper can help mitigate this risk. For example, you can use John the Ripper to test the strength of your own passwords. By running the software against your own accounts, you can see how vulnerable they might be to an attack. This can be an eye-opening experience, revealing just how important it is to use strong, unique passwords for each of your accounts. Creating strong passwords involves using a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters. Avoid using easily guessable information like birthdays or common words. Instead, opt for longer, more complex passwords that are harder to crack. John the Ripper can help you test these passwords to ensure they provide the security you need. In addition to personal use, John the Ripper is also a valuable tool for organizations. Companies can use it to audit their employees' passwords and ensure that their systems are protected against potential breaches. Regular password audits can help maintain a high level of security and prevent unauthorized access. Remember, password security is an ongoing process. Regularly updating your passwords and using tools like John the Ripper to test their strength can significantly enhance your overall security posture. Stay vigilant and proactive to protect your digital life from potential threats. Continuous learning in cybersecurity. Cybersecurity is constantly evolving, with new threats emerging all the time. It's essential to keep learning and practicing your skills. Stay updated on the latest tools, techniques, and best practices. Remember, ethical hacking is crucial for a safer digital world.